Hello everyone, welcome you all. So today we will discuss the concept of static and non-static. So let's begin here on the Eclipse. So first we'll create a class and we'll give the name of the class as a static and non-static, and then we'll create two global variables. One is a non-static variable and second is a static variable. We'll declare as a static. The string name is equal to Tom. This is a non-static and static int age equal to 25. This is a static variable. Then we will create two methods. One is non-static method and another is a static method in this class. And then we'll see how we can call the static methods and variable uh, using different methods. So first is direct calling. So we will call the static method directly by the that method name, that is sum. So the method name is the sum, so we can directly call directly call this by the name, and another is the by the another method is the calling by the class name. So we can call the static method by using the class name, and then we'll put the method name. So these are the two methods we can use for calling the static methods, and we we next we'll see that how we can print the variables, static variables. So this also we can directly achieve by that name only. We don't need to create an object and all. So we can directly access the static variable by the name itself. So here we'll see that system.out.println age will directly print here, and another method is by dot class name. So system.out.println static and non-static concept, that is our class name, and then we'll put the variable here. And next we'll see how to call the non-static method and variable. So for calling the non-static method and variable, we need to create an object of that class. So by the object only we can access the non-static methods and variables. So first we need to create an object of that class by writing this like this: static and non-static concept. Obj is a object reference we will create here equal to new static non-static concept, and then by this object reference we'll call the non-static methods, that is object obj.sendMail. So we can access this non-static method by this object reference variable, and the non-static global variables, same as we can access this by using this object reference variable. So like this system.out.println obj.name. So we'll achieve it this non-static method only by creating the object of that class. So that is the difference. So another question is that can I access a static method by using object reference? So yes, we can access it by using the object reference, but we got the warning that the static method sum is from the type this static and non-static concepts will be accessed in a static way only. So we'll get the warning, and it's not a good practice. So if a method is static, then we can only go for these two methods, that is direct calling and calling by class name. So this is the concept of calling static and non-static methods and variables. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks again.